Evergreen, Science and Environment for Class 6. Work, power and energy.
What is work? In our daily language, work is used to describe any activity which involves some physical or mental effort. For example, when we try to move some heavy load but fail to do, we think of having done some work. But in physics, the term work has a more definite and precise meaning. Work is said to be done if a force acting upon a body is able to move it through a certain distance in the direction of force. Measurement of work. Formula of work. Work, capital W, is equal to force applied, capital F, multiplied by distance moved, capital S. Unit of work. SI unit of work is joule. Types of work. Mental, physical and mechanical work. When you learn your lesson, mental work is said to be done. When you push an object and the object moves, physical work is said to be done. When the work is done with the help of a machine, mechanical work is said to be done.